to shorten it, we need to cut this, weld it here somewhere, and the wheel will be parked like this. After this, we need to weld the hinge holders, the hinges where the solar panels will be mounted. And I've chosen 3 millimeters, the same as this one, flat steel, and we will weld them here somewhere like this, and on these hinges the solar panels will be mounted and the solar panels will be foldable. Yep. So let's do it. Come on, let's do it. We've got 3 more pieces to weld, and after that, as far as I am concerned, we are done with welding. Now we need to weld minimal welding from the outside, and basically that's it for the welding. The neighbor just got CNC twice. Nice. The first layer of paint, final paint, and we only need to do another extra second layer of paint and we are done with the toe extension. Alright, we are done with the grinding. Next phase, wire brush cleaning the whole frame. Alright. It is Friday, 19th of November, and lucky us, I just paid the electronics from Canada to Green Technology, and as you can see, I'm still at my sister's place, and it's a darn foggy weather for 2 weeks, with few exceptions. And so far we've got a charge booster MPPT controller, this one, and one trailer light because it was a quick order while I was at visit at my nephew, and we didn't pay attention. We ordered just one piece, and after it arrived we figured out, well, we need to order another one, and we did. So we are waiting for this one. I'm also arranging panels with a local company which is not answering the phone. So currently this is a mystery. I'm also arranging sandblasting the steel frame, which we actually finished. I have agreement to be there at 2 o'clock. Now it is around 1 o'clock, so we have 1 hour to prepare the trike and the trailer, and we will probably just drive there and see how that goes. The first thing we will do is mount our tow extensions on our trike. we got some more work to do before we do sandblasting. So for now, I'll just mount the wheels and we'll drive. Voila, I believe we are ready to go. Unfortunately, we failed to arrange sandblasting. I was rejected immediately. It is not a standard product for sandblasting. A lot of work. But we did got our second lamp. Hopefully the same. Yep. Okay. We got trailer lamps. Alright. Overall panels area is 8.4 square meters. And if we use epoxy cloth with epoxy resin, we can achieve quite low weight of the side panels. I'm not sure for the bottom and the top. We'll need to do homework and think about it. That's it.